Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow! Later on, we're going to sing a song. It's going to be so much fun, little artists. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome back to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and this is the show where I teach you to draw. You can either watch me draw and just enjoy that, or you can draw along. So you might need some paper and some marker pens or a crayon or a pencil, and we can have fun. It's gonna be awesome.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Are you ready, Betty and Mikey? Is everybody else ready? Are you ready, little artist? Well, then, let's begin. It's time to get arty! Ho-ho!
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing!
Keep watching, it's nearly time for a song. Oh, I love drawing so much. This is so much fun. Well, I think it's time that we took a little break and had a song. Do you think so, little artists? Okay, let's sing a song.
Red, yellow, green, blue. 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 Red, yellow, green, color of the sun. Green is the color of a four-leaf clover, and blue is the color of the sky above. Red, yellow, green, blue. 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 Red, yellow, green, blue.
Wasn't that a really fun song? I hope you were dancing along and singing too. Anyway, time to carry on with our drawing now. Are you ready? Here we go. I love art so much. Drawing is so much fun.
Hi, Artie!
Hi, Bunny.
Wow, that drawing makes me hop with joy!
Oh, I'm very happy.
It's excellent!
Excellent.
Hop to it!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye. Wow, this one came out really good. I'm so pleased with it. Okay, there's only one thing to do now. It's time to color it in.
It sure needs some color.
I'm finished. Oh, this one came out really nice. I might put this in a frame. How was yours? I bet yours came out really good too, because you're so talented.
Goodbye, Artie!
See you later, Artie.
Well, that's the end of the show. I hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't it fun? I loved it. Hope you enjoyed the drawing and the song. And we'll see you again soon on Artie's show. Bye-bye for now. Bye.